This is just a video from me to try to show you all the sciatica stretches I know and pretty much give you all the information that I have so that I can help anyone that wants to try to relieve their pain, because I know how mine is sometimes, and it's extremely ridiculously painful, and I can't sit like I am. Like right now, I couldn't even sit like I am right now. It's not as hurting as bad as it was before. I can't sit like this. I can't lay down, barely, even sometimes even that. That's the only relief I get is laying down. I can't stand still, barely walk. I walk, barely even put my foot down. I mean, if you're watching this now, you know what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna do an example of show you all the stretches I know for sciatica, for all the ones that I've looked up, and all the ones that I've tried on my own. That pretty much I can tell, I can feel it pulling on that area of my body. So I'm gonna just start off with the basically basics is a cat stretch. And you see, you just lock your arms out, let your pelvis go forward, bring your head up, try to look at the sky, and push your pelvis to the bottom. Don't push too hard. You gotta control your breathing. Make sure you breathe in slow and steady. Don't do any type of jerky movements. You know and I know, you do anything like that, it's gonna serve like a freaking electrical shock. And then after that, I like to come up to my knees and sit on my feet. Usually I don't just do it on this bed. You should do it on a hard surface, but I'm just doing this right now because whatever. I sit on my knees and put my head all the way to the ground and try to reach my head to my knees. If you put your arms out, if you want to stretch it upward in the middle, like also. The next one I'm going to show you is the performance muscle stretch. It's for people that have a lot of pain in their buttocks, because sometimes in their sciatic nerve it can go down through in between that muscle, and if you don't stretch it and then keep doing that, it'll just pinch and you won't even know why. I've read some comments on different sites, on different pages, that some people do this once and it fixed everything for them, but not me. Mine still hurt like a son of a bitch, but everybody's different, right? You want to put your leg, whichever leg you want. I mean, you can do both sides. I usually do my side on the right because that's the side that hurts for me. You want to put it like basically like you would sit like if you were sitting in Indian style, except you want to put your other leg, opposite leg, straight back, and then put this underneath you, like right underneath your hip. Slowly come down to your elbows, and then just sit on your ankle. Try to slide your left leg down farther as possible, and just hold it at a comfortable level. Don't push it too hard, because then it's just not going to do any more. It's going to agitate it. If you want to even try even more, you can let go of your elbows and put your head to the floor. Make sure you come up out of it slowly. I did that the one time, came up out quick and paid for it dearly. Oh! Let's see. Other ones I want to show you is kind of like the performance muscle stretch, but it's basically both. You can bring one leg up. This one, whichever side you want to do. And alternate both legs. Make sure your heels, are down. Your toes are up, forward. Try to reach your chin to your chest. Alternate. And then bring both in if you can. Reach as close as possible. You can try if you want to grab your toes, pull yourself further. It's a little easier when you got shoes on. You got more grip. The next one is typical performance pose. It's like when you cross your leg, like normally if you're sitting straight up, and reach your one arm through in between your legs, clasp the other one, make sure this heel is straight up. Put your left arm up right underneath your back of your heel, and then just pull it towards. You can also make it more intense by overlapping it like that, and then wrapping around again and pulling there. That stretches kind of like more right here, at this side. Like when you do it the other way, it's kind of more feels like I feel it in my lower back. When I do it like this, I feel it like more in my ass cheek and everything. And you do both sides, and then kind of want to take your leg like this. Straight up, all the way into the pain, and then down. Up, into the pain, and down. Up, and down. You can also do that performance muscle. You can. I like doing it like that just because I'm a little bit more flexible, but I'm bringing my arm up under here. You get the cuff of my elbow right there. Pull it up, over, grab my foot, and then stretch my left leg straight as possible, and then pull this to my face and downwards and towards my face. Oh, you don't even understand how big that feels. Once you try it, you'll understand. The other one I wanted to show you is basically standing up. Everybody pretty much knows this one. You stand straight up. I know it's going to be pretty hard to do, but if you can't, you can bend your knees just a little bit, just so you can get down far enough to where you can feel it stretching your lower back. I do this sometimes because I can't reach all the way down right now. This is straight locked out leg right here. Sometimes I've learned helping by breathing, really hold my breath and then let go, and hold in little intervals. It makes it easier for me to get down all the way. And do not come back up fast. I promise you, you will regret the hell out of it. The other one is like this. Grabbing the back of your ear, put your arm over your head, put your left hand, whichever hand you're side to side, you're not trying to stretch, in front of your pelvic area. Hold that to hold yourself so you can brace yourself in case you spasm, and pull towards your left side, the opposite side. And I guarantee you will feel that in your lower back and in that middle back, all the way up to your top. There's also one of the ones I don't really try to do too much, but you can do. Let me see if I get right angles. And put your legs straight out and try to reach your toe. Kind of forces yourself. There's other ones you can do, but it's kind of hard to do on my own, so I'd have to show you what someone else doing. If you want any more information, I'm going to leave links down at the bottom.